So I passed out in June 2021 and I started Kraftshala in November, about 5 months later. And then I started working in March 2022, just after 3.5 months of completing the Kraftshala. So now 1.5 years since then, this is a new person, of course, because that was a different guy, and throughout this time I've learned a lot, grown a lot, and Kraftshala helped in a way make the base. Hey, hi everybody. So my name is Pratyush and currently I am working in Publicis Global Delivery as an analyst position. We call it PGD in short. So yeah. Well, I passed out in June 2021, and after that I was understanding what should I do next. I had my mind for CAT because I had tried for CAT a year back. I scored over 96.72 percentile, but I couldn't get through the interviews too. I was waitlisted for almost all the colleges, and then about that time I found out about Kraftshala through some ad, and it got me intrigued. And also at that time digital marketing was sort of a new thing. Everybody was going for some new skills that they can learn, and since it was just after COVID, so anything that you could do from home, I wanted to learn something like that, and it seemed like a good opportunity, and then I signed up for it, gave the exam, and luckily I got selected in it. Yeah. It said that it would be an 8 to 10 hour period of classes, so I thought it would be great because it's been some time that I have been in a sort of place where I'm learning or doing things in a constant speed for a long period of time, and also a new thing to learn. I was sort of motivated to learn new skill. And also one of the good part is, since COVID we were at home. It's been over 1.5 years at that point. So people all over India were going to join, and I want to select where do I stand in between. So that was a good thing because we can learn from everybody, and there were people from every place, from Northeast, Tamil Nadu, Bangalore and Himachal. So yeah, so that was great, really great. So we started off the marketing funnel, and then we went through different Facebook ads and all. Not just the learning part, but then there is a practical part. We had assignments on it, and then we had expert sessions. Those were the most fruitful. We have that one-on-one conversations and get our doubts cleared. And they had the most experience and what's happening in the current scenario in the world and all. So yeah, that was a great thing. And also every day for 3 months, from the first day to the last day, we had this 2-hour session for human skills, which was great because of the COVID, we were staying at home. So there was an introversion thing that came almost for everybody. So it sort of helped me and also other people. It helped to open up and to talk, and also be comfortable talking in an organized scenario, and also put out their thoughts and to think and articulate well. So that did help. So that was a great thing. Well, it goes back to the why I sort of didn't make it through the MBA, because I went to this coaching center when they go for the GDPI sessions and all. So I saw myself and the other people who were also going for that coaching, and they were sort of far better than me. They have something to give, but there was nothing from my side to give. So learning digital marketing and all. So yeah, I have the skill which can be useful and will be useful for the future also. So yeah, that helps. Kraftshala was helpful because it made the base to learn the new things. So it was sort of easy to take in. So I'm looking forward to what the future holds. I'm really excited about it. People nowadays have a very hard passion for digital marketing, and throughout the internet there are many places to learn. But here is the difference through YouTube, maybe through Google. You can get answers to your specific questions, that's true, but there is a lot of trial and error. If you do that by yourself, it could take months, years, anything. And every big freelancers or maybe YouTubers, they have taken 4 or 5 years to reach this point, few thousand subscribers to 1 million subscribers. And even they have their own courses. So they also know that you need a sort of a structured place so that you can learn and understand, and then only you can implement it. Because हवा में तीर नहीं मार सकते. It doesn't make any sense. So that's how Kraftshala helps you, and it did for me also. It for 1,000 other people also, and everybody is speaking about it. So it does help, and you should get into it if you think you want to be a digital marketer in future. And so yeah.